Hello! The first step in knitting is making a slip knot, so we'll start by doing that. I've pulled about 20 inches of yarn out of the ball to start with. So right at that 20-inch point, we're going to take it and we're going to wrap it around our hand. Pull out of the ball so we have a little bit to work with and wrap it around our hand. We'll bring the tail and cross it. Pull a loop under the piece on your hand. Pull it up. You see how you have a little loop now? We're going to hang on to that. We don't want to lose that. That will be our slip knot. It's called a slip knot because now when you pull it tight, don't let this tail come through, but when you pull it tight, looks like a big giant loop, you can slip it to be a smaller loop just by pulling the string. And we're going to want it to be about that big around because we're going to put it on that knitting needle that we started with in our little supply section. We'll slip that right on to the tip of our knitting needle and we're going to tighten it up with the slip knot just to the same size around as the knitting needle, not too tight and not too loose. And now your work will look like this. That's your first stitch on your cast on. That's your slip knot, and we'll do 9 more cast on stitches, and I'll show you how to do that next.